The circle of equality. In the vast plains where the wind carried the whispers of unity and the rivers flowed with harmony, there existed a tribe known as the Cherokee. Among them lived a wise elder named Coco, whose gentle spirit radiated love and compassion. As the sun painted the sky with vibrant hues, Coco gathered the tribe beneath the sacred oak tree, ready to share a story that would forever illuminate the beauty of treating others equally, supported by ancient Native American quotes and proverbs.
Many moons ago,
Coco began.
There lived a young warrior named Takota. He possessed a vision that transcended the boundaries of tribe, race, and culture. Takota believed that true strength lay in recognizing the inherent worth and equality of every individual.
In his quest to spread this message, Takota embarked on a journey across the land. He encountered tribes of different backgrounds, each with their own customs and traditions. Yet, he saw beyond the superficial differences and recognized the shared humanity that bound them all. One day, as Takota traversed a vast desert, he stumbled upon a wounded stranger. The stranger belonged to a rival tribe, but Takota saw through the veil of animosity and offered a helping hand. He nursed the stranger back to health, understanding the profound truth in the Navajo proverb,
"Walk a mile in my moccasins to understand my footsteps."
News of Takota's act of kindness spread like wildfire and reached the ears of tribal elders from various communities. They were deeply moved by his belief in equality and invited him to a gathering where leaders from different tribes would come together. At the gathering, under the vast starlit sky, Takota stood before the leaders and shared his vision of treating others equally. He spoke of the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of unity in the face of diversity. One quote that resonated deeply within the hearts of those present was,
"We are all visitors to this time and this place. We are just passing through. Our purpose here is to observe, to learn, to grow, to love. And then we return home."
Inspired by Takota's words, the leaders pledged to foster a culture, equality, and respect within their tribes. They embraced the teachings of the Iroquois proverb,
"In our every deliberation, we must consider the impact of our decisions on the next 7 generations."
Word of this gathering spread throughout the land, igniting a spark of change. People from far and wide came together, setting aside their differences and recognizing the beauty in treating others equally. The land flourished under this newfound unity, and the tribes became living embodiments of the Lakota proverb, 𝐒𝐿𝐴 𝐿𝐴, meaning we are all related. May we, like Takota, embrace the vision of treating others equally, transcending the barriers that divide us. Let us honor the wisdom of our Native American ancestors and cultivate a world where every person is valued and respected. In the words of a Cherokee proverb,
"Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace."
Together, we can foster a circle of equality that transcends time and leaves a lasting legacy for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Spread wisdom by sharing this video. Subscribe